Joy, joy, joy. This is Swami G, the Orange Cowboy. I was inspired to start this group because I've written a screenplay and it's in the process of getting investors. I've got a director and producer already on board, and it's an inspirational movie. Listening to our heart and listening to our intuition, I feel that there's a strong need in the industry to have really positive messages to help us grow spiritually, holistically, to live with love and purpose, healthy lives, empathetic lives, to investigate our inner gifts, our meditations, our spiritual gifts, our intuitions. And certainly there's not much about that in the industry today. If there is, it's usually just being made fun of. And I want to support others who are making such movies, networking and sharing our ideas. So that's why I started this group. Screenwriter, producer, director, investor, anybody in that realm. We'll see you around the group. I'm Swami G, the Orange Cowboy. Joy, joy, joy.